did you get, Caitlin?
I got this.
What is it?
I don't know.
Wow, Brandon, does it look like a...
Look, Brandon,
pizza?
look under the tree.
It looks like a pony.
Like a pony. Do you think that pony is for me to ride?
No.
Do you think that...
Brandon, look at the...
Look, it's over here, Brandon. Look. Brandon, look.
Oh, look what I got for my Barbies.
Ooh, what is it?
It's a dress with a hat.
Brandon, you got tools. Look.
Look, buddy.
Santa knows just what to bring me.
Want to open these?
Mommy, look.
What are they?
Dominoes.
Oh, how cool. And what else did Santa bring you? I'm trying to open it. Can you open it?
He brought me the pet Lego.
Cool, Caitlin.
I knew it was called Friends.
You did?
I definitely got
I'm going to open it for you.
Yeah,
Mama,
him
this one
with
at a
it.
time. You have to have Daddy do it maybe because Mama can't get it. Yeah, I can't get it.
Mommy did
Okay,
it.
for Daddy to...
Mommy tried to get it.
Yeah.
You tell, can you read it?
Santa Claus.
No.
Oh, it's too Brandon.
To Brandon. All right, Brandon. Caitlin has something for you.
Yeah.
Open it.
This is for me. It's just clothes, right?
Ask Mommy. Who's it from?
It's from... This is it.
Choo-choo train, Brandon.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome.
A nice comfy sweater.
That's that sweater dress that you wanted from Target.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome.
I got that out.
You what?
Got that out.
Get it out. Let's see if there's more. Have Caitlin hand you more presents.
Oh, like it.
Ooh, you like it?
What does G-O-G-E spell?
Gauge. Is that gauges?
Gagey. It's probably gauges.
And set it off to the side.
Hold on, what else do you have?
Caitlin, that one right there is your brother's. You know what's in there. The snowman. Hand him that.
I don't know what's in
You do.
my present.
No, that's not yours. Daddy's gonna have you guys get his present in a minute.
But she knows what's in there.
That.
That's what I said.
Oh, it's your present. Okay.
Caitlin, just find something else for him and for you. Does it have a letter on it?
Let me see it.
Open those. Do you have more presents, Brandon?
Yeah.
Go look under the tree with Caitlin.
Hey.
Brandon, you got a fire truck and movies. Go look. Caitlin, show them the movies.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. What is it?
It's the Michigan State shirt I wanted.
Go, Brandon. Yeah.
Thank you.
Look, you got movies. Look who's on the movies.
Look, Brandon, go look at your movies. Go see who's
Caitlin, show them the movies.
Super wide.
a super wide movie.
Go look at it.
Mickey Mouse.
And Mickey Mouse.
And you have Fire Truck. And Caitlin, hand him more presents. Find some more for you and your brother.
Okay.
But Brandon, what else did you get? I'll open. Go look.
Here, Brandon.
Caitlin's
open
got a
it.
bag
See
for
what
you.
This is. Brandon.
This doesn't come out.
I see a letter.
Where?
Oh. That's yours.
Yay.
Here, Brandon, try opening this. I'm not sure if this is yours or Caitlin's, but go ahead and open it. I'm not Daddy. I'm Mommy. Here, can you open that? I'm not sure whose that is. You gotta wait. You gotta open up that. I'll try and open this. You open up that present, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you like that?
Yeah, it's really cute.
Good.
This is mine. Mommy,
I'm
look.
trying. Okay.
Well, I wonder what this thing is for kids. Mommy, look.
I know you want to try it. I'm trying to open
Thank you.
it. I figured Caitlin, is that the one? Let me see that one. Can flip it around. That's what I thought. I thought maybe Kit could use a nice warm coat. And I liked the hat on it. I thought the hat was kind of cute.
And boots and I mean, how could I ever thank you more?
Your thanks is enough.
Boy, what's this whole way?
Go get it, Brandon.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I know, buddy. I'm trying. I'm trying, Brandon. Look, Mama's trying to open it. Okay?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Brandon, we have to get a screwdriver. I don't have a screwdriver.
Did you get more toys, Brandon, under
What
the
else is
tree?
under Let's go look and see what that snowman. Go look and see what else is under there.
Caitlin will give you a present.
Is this okay? This is Gage. It's G for Gage. Okay, Daddy.
Yes, Brandon.
Brandon, open up that
Screwdriver.
present. See what's in there.
Brandon, what's in here? Open that. You think there's more cars in there?
This is your gift.
Oh yeah, it says it was the bag I was gonna use for Grandma, but yeah, I got your present and my present in there.
Wait, our present?
Yeah, you remember what you guys got them?
Oh yeah. Oh, this is mine.
Oh, I think Caitlin, I think she's opening your present. Oh no, this is present. Never mind.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you, Mommy.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, thank you, honey. What else is underneath there? Does Kiki have something else for you?
Let's see, this is peaches.
Go see Caitlin, Brandon.
This is peaches. And this.
That's super wide. Is that super wide?
Is this yours?
No, to Caitlin.
So mommy and dad.
Yeah.
Hey, what's this? Oh, a fire duck. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Do you know what it says?
That's
No, not fed. I'm working on it, Brandon. Beats.
Beat the
Parents.
here.
Beat the Parents. It's a game that you can play with Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Go.
Brandon, can you show me your fire truck?
This is yours.
Brandon.
Who did this?
That's Aunt Becky's. There's some more on this side, Caitlin.
For me and Brennan.
That one's Brandon's from Maureen.
Oh, here's yours.
Okay, I'll open this one. You open that one.
This
That just fell.